What is going on, you guys? Cameron here with another video. I just wanted to showcase my new website and a course that I started releasing on my website that's going to be teaching my students how to not only make a database, but as the course progresses, I'm going to show you how to set up a Mac server on premise, and then also show you how to set up a AWS server on Amazon, the AWS web servers, or the EC2 instances, how to create that FileMaker server setup, and then how to put your database on there. And then also too, today I just want to talk about and maybe do an overview of basically what FileMaker, what the benefits FileMaker has, as far as like what's the cost of running FileMaker, what are some things that we can learn here together. So this is the FileMaker book app. I can open up the book app here for you guys, so you get a little overview of what it looks like. Yesterday I actually, let's see, here we go. I added some books in the app. It shows you how to make a layout. The layout will be good for desktop, like you see here. It's designed around the iPhone layout, so you get that perspective. So that's what it looks like, kind of like closed up. You can add new books in your library. You can type in how much you paid for a book. We're doing a wish list, and then you have a list of authors and all the authors that you have in your library, which is pretty cool. So when you click join, you'll get it will be prompted to pay. This course is only $20. It takes you along on how to make the app, and then there's going to be another course that will go over taking the database itself and putting it on a server, how to set up a server, do the like GoDaddy setup with SSL certificates, buying a domain name, doing your port forwarding and stuff like that on your router. So this is just an overview of what I have going on. I'm working with FileMaker right now to start selling my apps on the SBA program, so I can get cheaper licensing. And then I have another app that I've been selling outside of FileMaker, not really getting cheaper licensing. I just let my clients purchase FileMaker, and they can just purchase my app. So I have that going on here, so you can check out that and what I'm doing with those things. And then custom development, maybe if you guys want help, I do have custom development. And then the shop over here, I'm selling development hours. So if anyone wants something fixed, looked at, or tested out, I'm the guy to come to, and we can work out a deal. 5 development hours, it's anything fixing issues in your database, adding new features, employee app setups, doing some team viewer fixes. It will include communicating based off of phone calls, emails, and troubleshooting new features, etc. That's basically what a development hour would include. So anything of that. Any hours not used will stay on your account. So if that, let's say you purchase 5 development hours, let's say I only use 2, that means your account will still have 3. And your development hours will never expire also, which is pretty cool. So that's a little overview of what my website's looking like. It's taken a long time. I'm still working on my databases, and between working on the website and Wix, and then also working with FileMaker on getting my app completely ready for SBA program. So that's a little overview on what's going on with me and my new course list. And you'll see the FileMaker book app, and then there'll be another one like FileMaker on-premise server, and then a follow-up one like FileMaker AWS EC2 server. So you can learn multiple different things from the same app. The courses will be designed around the same app, so it'll be like start to finish the book app on premise or the book app on the cloud server like AWS. So thanks for watching the video, guys. The next video I'm going to be posting on my YouTube channel is going to be I'm going to talk about pricing FileMaker and why is it a benefit for your business to do that. Also, I have a podcast. It's Think Studio FileMaker software. and I talk about the very first one that we did was with my dad, and how I got in tune with what FileMaker is and what my dad used it for back in the day. So you guys can check that out. It's a pretty long podcast, but it's pretty cool. I mean, it takes you back in time for what FileMaker / Microsoft Access was back in the day, and how my dad used it before technology was really just coming out, which is pretty cool. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Take care, and please check out the website. I would really appreciate it. Thanks.